Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this fast motion video edit. So I'm just going to split the part where the person starts walking there, and then here I'm going to split it again when they start walking, and then like maybe here I'm going to split it again. So split the video like where you want the speed to be, like for instance the one where the person's walking here and then here again. So if they're just like still standing still, you don't need to speed that up. So select this part, go to speed and times it by a lot. If it's like not enough still, like you can adjust it. I'm just going to zoom in a little bit and like see. Okay, that's not fast enough. Has to be like super fast. Okay. And then like here as well, you have to make it super fast. Okay, and that looks weird, but just hold on. Right click, create compound clip, select everything by the way. Then you are going to scroll down, find motion blur, blur 100, blend 100, and select direction. I think both, and then select ×1 and just wait for it to process. It's better if you have like more motions than this because there's only like 2. But as you can see, there's a blur when they walk like this and here as well. And that's it. Super cool, right? I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!